All right. Hello, day 2 of the second week. So I guess we're at day 7. I'm going to be going over the Tuesday problem for you. So hopefully, again, you are keeping up with all these. I am telling you this over and over and over again because it is something small that you can commit to every single day. So if you are somebody that's like, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to study for this exam, or you feel like either stuck or stressed out, give yourself this. You are doing something already, okay? So you are doing this. You can always practice more problems. You can reach out to me, and I'm going to go over this Tuesday problem with you. So this question has to do with means and averages, and it is not a straightforward find the mean question, but when you got answer choices here, it makes life a little bit easier. And if you know how to solve these, then you are in the right direction. All right, so here we go. Max has a current average of an 88 on 5 tests. What is the minimum score that Max needs on his 6th test in order for him to have an average of a 90? So a lot of times I see students just trying to add together 90 and 88 and seeing what they get, and it doesn't really make sense. So how I want you to think about this is this. Right now, he has an average of an 88. So he could have gotten below an 88 on a few tests, above an 88. I don't know. I don't care. Doesn't matter. So what I want to do to start is say to myself, okay, oh, not an 85. What is the sum of these first 5 tests? What is the sum of them? So I'm going to multiply 88 times 5. That would be the same as adding 88 5 times. And what I get is 440. So that means if he did have 5 tests, the sum of those 5 tests would be 440. Doesn't matter what the individual test grades were, all of them are going to add to 440 because that's how you get an average of an 88 there. Now, Max wants a 90. So what I have to ask myself is, what would he need on the next test in order to get a 90? So I'm going to say to myself, all right, now if he has 6 tests, what does his sum need to be for those 6 tests? So basically I'm going to multiply 90 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. All right. And what that means is he needs 540 points. All right. He needs 540 points. So if he has 440, how many more points does he need to get a 90? And I just noticed that there is a typo here, but there won't be on your original Google Doc. He needs 100, right? To go from 440 to 540, he needs 100 points. So let's just make sure that that makes sense. So we added 100 to this 440. That would mean he now has 540 points. We divide that by 6. We're back to a 90. All right, sorry about that little typo, but he needs 100. Now, that might be a little hard to do, but if you think about it, if the first 5 tests were an 88, it's going to be harder to get that 90, all right, because it's just 1 test out of 6. If he had 2 tests, he wouldn't need to get that perfect score. All right, so if you have any questions, please let me know. And again, if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please, I ask you to do that. Give it a like, share it with a friend, and we shall talk soon.